Hey, Sergeant Locksmith here. Okay, so we're going to open 2011 through 2017. We're going to use an offset hook tool. This one here, if you notice, is designed to go on the driver's side. I'm not a fan of doing the driver's side because you have too many obstacles in there. I'm going to move the camera because this would be my way. When you go in, be careful not to grab the glass. This is not my first tool of choice to use, but we'll go ahead and see about getting this in there. And she's kind of tight, sorry about that. Move my wedge over. And the reason why I'm demonstrating using this tool is to show that you can open up these vehicles a lot of different ways. Ford hasn't done their best with all of these. Now that you get it in, when you rotate it, it'll come in, and all you're doing is wanting to grab it. You're going to see the lock button jump, and as you notice, it's not wanting to. Oh, I had it. And there you go. Put a little pressure on it, turn it, and lift up with the tool. You notice I'm on it. Up was. There we go. Got it. Go ahead and get the tool out. I like to take the tool out before I open the door, just in case you're by the linkage or anything. I do not like getting it caught in there. I apologize for bumping the camera, but easy peasy, we're in, we're out.